This Pedagogy Premiere is part of a series focused around language activities which can be used in class to introduce and practice a wide variety of vocabulary. For simplicity, in each video the activity will be explained and modelled using one language. The key vocabulary for other languages is then shared at the end of the video. This activity is called Magic Ball. For this activity, you will need a collection of objects or pictures of vocabulary that has been taught that you want to practice. Using an image or an actual magic ball, you would hide one of those objects or pictures and then ask the learners to guess which one is hidden. We then say, Mira la bola mágica. Mira la bola mágica. Look at the magic ball. The class would then take turns to guess which object is hidden by saying es and naming an object. You can choose to show the options available to them from a small selection, or you could just use all of the vocabulary that has been taught. If your learners are not yet confident with the vocabulary being used, you could also add support by asking, ¿Es un lápiz? ¿Es una goma? ¿Es un cuaderno? Or ¿es una pluma? Before asking them to make their guesses. This would give them the opportunity to hear that vocabulary again before being asked to speak it themselves. When someone has guessed correctly, we can reveal that by saying, Sí, es una goma, and click to reveal on the PowerPoint or move the object or picture to show that that was the correct answer. This activity can also be adapted and played in a similar way to corners. If you choose 4 objects and assign each to a particular area of the classroom, you could ask learners to indicate their choice by moving to that space instead of speaking. That would give them an opportunity to just work on their listening skills. You could also ask the whole group to say their choice, which would reduce the pressure on individuals as they practice the vocabulary. So that's Mira la bola mágica. So in German we would say
Der Kristallkugel.
So to ask the learners to look at the ball, we would say,
Schaut den Kristallkugel zu.
Then to ask about each object, we'd start with,
Ist es?
And when making their guess, the learners would say,
Es ist.
While in French, we would say,
La boule magique.
So to ask the learners to look at the ball, we would say,
Regardez la boule magique.
And so to ask about each object or to give a guess, we would use the word.
C'est...
Thank you for watching this Pedagogy Premiere. We hope you found it useful.